an old shed-built four-wheel drive hatchback. Let's keep it on the track. We are back at Shelsley Walsh. I was here last year in the Peugeot. The main goal is to beat my time, which I forget. Changes on the car is I have tightened up the damping. I've maxed them out on each corner. I've probably added more weights with the paint and an extra fan at the back and the intercooler at the front, which is inevitably carrying more engine oil. I should probably check the oil as well. Oh, there's something in there. I've also added more weight by deciding to put some stickers on there as we're at a racing event, so that's new, they're new. I've done the same on the near side with the extra weight of the paint and the bolt-ons, and I have a lot more fuel in this time, so I'm not really doing myself any favours, but hopefully I'm a quicker driver. About to go out for the first run. I am in group yellow for anyone who's interested. Now initially I'm just going to test to see what it's like. Take it steady, not launch too hard, just feel it out really. Yeah? Yeah, good luck. The problem is at the moment I can't see where my group's leaving because I'm parked around the corner. So I'm going to pull around and see. Yeah, they're all still there. Let's do this. First run out. Just got told off for not moving forward. So, plan, get off the start, don't break the car, try and go quicker than Sean. Yeah, right, we can try. 77. I'm almost at the line, the car's almost to temperature. Again, another reason for not launching too hard. Start, right left, stay flat. 6 left, try and stay flat. Brake hard into the S's, but not too early because we're going uphill steep. Make my way around the S's, then flat, straight over the line, sub 35 seconds. I've got a GR Yaris next to me. I guess that's a modern equivalent of what I'm in now. Right, let's do this. Sloppy. It felt super sloppy. I missed a few gears, but I was sliding all over the place. Yeah, let's see how that time fares. Yeah, that felt rough. A lot of time to make up. It felt really messy. Grip felt good though. Coming out of the S's at the end, on the exit especially, I thought I was going to hit the wall. It did feel like I was in control, but the car was all over the place. GR Yaris has just come out. To see how our times compare, I guess. An old shed-built four-wheel drive hatchback versus a mega corporation. I'm going to focus on just getting a cleaner run next time. Let's go see how Sean got on. Nothing leaking out under the car anyway. How was that? It was alright. Yeah? Yeah, it's a bit really cold brake, so it wouldn't stop on the first corner. Right. Yeah, it was alright. Yeah. Yeah, I was all over the place, but it felt controllable, but yeah. I was sliding everywhere. Yeah, I slid out of the last corner, I slid on wide. The straight. Yeah. You could have cleaned your wheels, I think. No. Wanted advantage we do have today, it's a lot colder than it was last year. It was a scorching hot day. Colder air today means condenser air, therefore hopefully we should have a bit more power.
Now, it is a Ford Focus.
Time for the first run between me, Sean and the Yaris. I'm in the lead so far at 35.76. Sean is 39.65 and the Yaris is 41.57. That's only the first run. We'll see how the leads and positions change throughout the day in the race between me and two other people that don't know they're in a race. We'll see how things play out. I've just been called to go for a second run just before lunch. I'm going to try and keep it cleaner and hopefully we'll improve on our time. I know what I need to do. Keep it nice and smooth. I'm keeping the setup the same, haven't adjusted the dampers. We had a bit of time to spare before we went out and we were called back in and now the car won't behave and I need to get on that start line. Oh, here we go. Oh, I think we're good now. Sweet. Right, let's go. Got the Fiesta by the side of me. Had a really good launch. I shifted early into second. I think the S's weren't quite as clean, but ultimately we're going to see once we get the time. I'm already going down the hill. I think I joined the wrong queue. I've driven straight to the top. Within about 5 seconds I start driving back down. I spun up all 4 wheels this time. I want to make sure my transmission feels okay. There's no rattles or clunks, so I mean, we should be all good. As far as the temps in the car goes, the Mishimotos are doing a cracking job. Sean filming his vlog behind the scenes of Automax. Oh, and this is a yellow one. We have a green one on the right. Going off the times from the second run, I was about a second slower, so spinning up the wheels on the start line is obviously not the best idea if you want to get a quick time. Sean has improved by around 2 seconds, and the new target, the R5 Fiesta, which I suspect is not a genuine Fiesta, it may be a kit car. I'll have to try and find out. His first run was slower than mine. In that 4-wheel drive monster, it was a 36.12, but his second run is so far the quickest out of all of us, 34.86. My strategy for the third run is going to be keep it clean, don't spin off the line, and just try and carry more speed up to the top. Probably easier said than done. That's what we're going to try. So the action after lunch is starting now. It won't be too long before I can get my third run in. Time for round 3. We've got to keep it clean this time. Need to get a good launch. The sun's come out. let's do this. Don't spin off the line, get a smooth start, less tyre squeal. Most importantly, when I exit the S's, I need a slower exit at the end so I can progressively get on the power up the straight. The last 2 times, I've been putting the power down too early, backing off, therefore unsettling the car before I get back on the power. I need a smooth progression, get maximum speed over the finish line. I would like to beat the R5's time, but that's a tall order. I've got to shave a good 1.5 seconds, maybe 2 off. That could result in a big off. Let's keep it on the track. Is it going to be quicker? We're going to find out. So hard to tell. Had a really soft launch. I mean, it might be better. More traction, more speed. The car still feels solid. That's half the battle. I don't want to jinx anything, but I am wary I have the 5-speed box. And they're not exactly known for being strong. That's always going to be on the back of my mind when we're on the start line. And before the battery goes, these GoPro Hero 10 batteries are... After run 3, I've got some times. I improved my time from the second run by about 3/10, so I'm still in the 36s. Sean's dropped another second off his time, he's down to 37. And then the R5, interestingly, went back up to 36.07 from the 35. He added a second to his time on the 3rd run. The last groups are going out now. I'm hoping to get one more run in when the hill opens to anybody left. My time to beat is my first run, 35.76. Before I go back out, I'm going to check to see if there's anything leaking under the car. Water's dry. Yep, still looks dry. Nothing falling off. Nothing. No leaks from the water lines. Looking good.
Absolutely. Looking like
We've got a final 4th run.
they've been to the Nürburgring for a week.
Hiya.
Is this a new build or?
I've
never seen that before.
It was here last year.
Oh, I didn't
Yeah, it was multicoloured though. So
No idea what
it was built during lockdown.
Do you use it for any?
I can't, it's a cut chassis, so it would be, well, you could use it for open class, but it's non-competitive, so it's not worth it. Just for a bit of fun. Yeah.
Oh, it's a different way. Horsepower?
This is actually something you promised me.
300 to the wheels, so 380 crank. Hybrid turbo, IHI turbo. Built engine, but well, it's the twin scroll, which is a hybrid, like the rally cars have. But the rest of it's pretty much standard Subaru and Pretzel.
I'll look you up on it.
Yeah, we're on YouTube. Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers.
Right, thanks for that.
Possibly another subscriber there. Well, wait until he sees me go up the hill, I guess. Thought there was something wrong with the car then, but it's Sean with his lumpy idle. Next to our old friend, the Yaris. 4th and final run of the day. Sean's just left the start line. today, I honestly couldn't tell you where I've come. I don't have a Scooby-Doo. Cars run flawlessly. The Peugeot really is starting to prove itself reliable. Now we've checked off hill climb, next we need to see if this car can be reliable without overheating on a track day. There is another hill climb to come soon, but we need to get this thing on the track as soon as we can. Now I said I'm going to upgrade the brakes on this car, but for hill climb, for this one in particular, almost having road brakes helps. You don't need much to get the heat into them for them to work properly. It is bloody warm in here though. I'd like to see what the final time was today. Then provided I get home in this home-built rally prototype thing, then I'd call this a success. The car looks tip-top, enough tyre tread to get home. Race number's still on the screen. That was a good day out. Next stop for this is Prescott Hill Climb. Bang! Goes the chocolate gearbox. I left the damping on maximum stiffness. May have to stop again.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life.
You know what we didn't do? We didn't check my time for the 4th run. Let's have a look. I have the clip. I've got a timer. I'll have to put you down for a sec. And we're off. It was a 35.70 something to beat. Come on. 36.19. At the end of the day, my second run was quickest. Did I beat last year though? I'll find the clip now. That was my first run. 37.38. So beat that. Second run is 36.87. Beat that. Third run. Oh! 35.74. I did a 35.76. 0.02 tenths of a second slower this year. Not exactly progression there. I think I need to get better behind the wheel.
For an answer, maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe